there. So you have some questions about an I-551, or what we refer to as a green card. Well, let me introduce myself. I'm Gail Seeram, an immigration attorney that has been practicing since 1999, and our office is dedicated to the practice of immigration law. An I-551 is the technical term for a green card or for lawful permanent resident status. Now, as you can see, this is how the current green card looks. It is actually now green, and it's got a lot of security measures. As you can see in the front of the card, they have a lot of security measures. Your name is imprinted a few times. There's a lot of holograms. In the rear of the card, it is actually a scannable card. It's also got your picture in the rear. So this is what an I-551 or green card looks like. Now, there are some older versions of this card, but you're free to apply for this newer version at any time once you pay the filing fee. So now, how do you get a green card or lawful permanent resident status? You can obtain a green card through family sponsorship, employment sponsorship, through asylum, or by being a victim of certain crimes, such as if you're a battered spouse or you're eligible for a T or U visa. The most common way people obtain permanent residency or an I-551 card is through family sponsorship. And we're going to briefly go through some of the categories of family members or qualifying relatives that can help you seek a green card. If you are the immediate relative of a U.S. citizen, meaning you're the spouse of a U.S. citizen, child under 21 of a U.S. citizen, or parent of a U.S. citizen, you're eligible to get a green card, and there's no backlog. If you're in the United States, you can get it in 3 months. If you're outside the United States, you can get it in 9 to 12 months. The other categories are what we call preference category. And you're seeing a chart right now that shows the preference categories and the backlog. First preference is an unmarried child over 21 of a U.S. citizen. 2A preference is a unmarried child under 21 or a spouse of a permanent resident. 2B is an unmarried child of a permanent resident that's over 21. Category 3 is a married child of a U.S. citizen, and Category 4 is sibling, brother, sister of a U.S. citizen. And the processing times vary. You can always check our website, and you have a screenshot of our website. We always have the current visa bulletin posted monthly. You can always come back to this home page and check for the processing times of the visa. Now remember, when it comes to immigration, your first call should be to the immigration law offices of Gail Seeram. We are happy to help you. Thank you.